Uh, See guys, today I'm just going to teach you how to speak about any topic. Particularly let it be any topic like fan, wind, whatever you see in and around the class, outside and all. See how to speak about any topic. Let's suppose what topic you choose. You choose any topic. Any topic, yes, according to you, any topic. So I'll tell you what you just need to come in. What you need to just do it off. Okay? How to talk about any topics. Fine? Diary. Diary. Okay, fine. So today's topic is a diary. Diary is a topic and we are going to speak few lines about the diary. See, before we start about the diary, I will tell you how and what and what the things you need to cover in this. Firstly, we have to talk about the what is diary, right? Next, use of diary. Okay, why? Okay, when, how? Okay, and then these all are just advantages. Advantage of there is disadvantages also, but we will not talk about the See, all topic will have two things: advantage and disadvantage, right? Okay. So let's suppose what is a diary? You just talk to yourself. What is a diary? See, diary is a notebook where we can just write our feelings, our emotions, our incidents, our regular routines, and whatever you want to copy in that, we can just definitely do that. See, diary is very useful for the all people, not only for the students. Those who are a writer, those who are willing to write some stories, those who are willing to write some script, and those who are willing to write some any kind of things, anything you can just copy and document in a diary, right? Fine. So use of a diary is like we use diary in a several ways. Like if you are just walking somewhere as an employee, you must have a diary just to note down your schedules. You just have to note down your passwords. You just have to note down your lot of things which is required to your job. But if you are a student, what you can write, you can easily write about your time, right? About your timetable, like what time you need to go for the study, what time you have to come back. So everything you just have to document into the diary. So why diary is important? Ask question to yourself why diary is needed. The diary is needed just because if you want to write something, let's suppose for instance if I'm writing something here, is it forever? Is it for always? Not at all, right? Because we can easily erase it off and it will go off. But once we start writing something inside the diary, that means it's going to stay for a long time. Understand? That's what diary is very important. When we need a diary, just we need a diary when we want to write something, when we want to keep something as a secret or as something important we want to note down or notice, then we have to keep a diary always. And it's very, it's easy to carry everywhere because diary will not have a, much weight along. When we need a diary, when you use your diary, when you study, right, or when you just go for some, emails, just to find out what kind of, just to make a checklist also you can use this diaries and all, right? How we can use the diary? We can use diary in the several ways. We can make it personal also and make it professional also. Okay? If it's personal diary always you should have. But if it's a professional, you can share with the other people also. Like, see, this is my diary. Okay? This is also a diary, but this is not my personal diary. Because I'm not writing anything personal over here. Whatever I'm writing, that is useful for the all people, for my all students. Understand? So this is just all about the diary, and diary is just like coming in a various space, in a variant size, in a different shapes also. Depends on how much you cost for that, right? So this is all about the diary, guys. I hope you all have understood about this diary, And next time, whenever you want to speak anything on any topic, the keywords will be, firstly you write the advantage and disadvantage. Okay, fine. Advantage and disadvantage. Every topic will have two things. Advantage also and disadvantage also. So that's all about the diary, guys. Bye bye. Bas my